Digital smile design is a process that enhances your appearance and improves your oral health. Using artificial intelligence and AI-driven design software, digital smile design shows you what your new smile will look like before any actual work is performed. Actually, the process is much like designing a custom-built home. First, you sit down with your architect and discuss what you want your new home to include. Next, your architect gathers site information, sketches an outline of their ideas, and workshops those ideas with you so your final plan incorporates all your dreams and wishes. Then, your architect maps out construction steps and material choices so they can present you with an accurate final cost. They can even create models for you to visualize your new home more completely. Digital smile design follows many of the same steps that architects use to create amazing homes with their clients. This process involves discussing the patient's goals and desires, gathering diagnostic information, designing your smile with you, finalizing plans and costs, then following agreed-upon steps to create your dream smile. Just as an architect must combine the skills of art and engineering, a cosmetic dentist must combine art and medicine. We need listening skills, experience, and expertise to create your beautiful, healthy smile. Digital smile design is a communication and planning process that allows you to design your own smile. When you work with the architects at LoveSmile, we will build the smile of your dreams.